This Century washing machine, 10.2 kg. This washing machine is one of the best and easy to operate. A customer called me that the one she bought for me, she don't know how to use it, and I wanted to do this video and send it to her and just say, let me just do it in case of tomorrow and someone purchase this washing machine and don't even know how to use it. The person can just go through the video on my YouTube page to know how to use it. But she thought it was touch, but that is not true. This is how to use the washing machine. Is the drain gentle wash. Depending on the clothes you are washing, you would want to on if it's gentle wash, normal, drain of the water. This washing timer, and this timer, wash timer, this wash timer, this is the spinning side. And one thing good about this 10.2 kg washing machine Century is that it can wash anything, like the duvet, no matter the size of your duvet, you can wash it here. And the spinning side is like, wow, look at the spinning side, very okay, can wash anything, washable. Look at this, very and contain anything. Look at the beauty of it, very beautiful.